So now the nerve supply to the nasal septum. The nerve supply to the nasal septum, we have again the full part. One is anterior superior, anterior inferior, posterior superior and the posterior inferior. So the anterior superior part of the nasal septum is innervated by the internal anterior ethmoidal branch, the ophthalmic nerve, the branch of trigeminal nerve. It gives two branches, one is anterior ethmoidal, another one is posterior ethmoidal nerve. So this posterior ethmoidal nerve, it is responsible for the sinus. One is frontal sinus and the sphenoidal sinus. They are innervated by the posterior ethmoidal nerve, and the inferior ethmoidal nerve, it moves towards the nasal part and it gives internal and the external. Internal towards the nasal septum and the external towards the lateral wall of the nose. So the internal branch, that is the internal anterior ethmoidal nerve, which is responsible for the innervation of anterior superior part of the nasal septum. So the anterior inferior part, it is innervated by the anterior superior alveolar nerve, which is a branch of infraorbital nerve. This is the infraorbital nerve, which is again the branch of maxillary nerve. So the maxillary nerve, which is again the trigeminal nerve branch. So the trigeminal nerve branch, the second is the maxillary. So maxillary, it gives infraorbital nerve, and this infraorbital nerve, it gives anterior superior. This is anterior but superior alveolar. So this anterior superior alveolar nerve, it moves further inner part into the nasal cavity and supplies to the anterior inferior part of the nasal septum. Moving towards the posteriorly, the posterior superior and the posterior inferior, both are innervated by the branches from the pterygopalatine ganglion. So this pterygopalatine ganglion, it lies in the pterygopalatine fossa. This is pterygopalatine fossa. It gives two branches, one is nasal branch, another one is nasopalatine. So this nasal branches is further gives one medial posterior superior, another one is lateral posterior superior. So the medial posterior superior, it moves to the nasal septum, and lateral posterior superior, it moves to the lateral wall, that is lateral wall of nose. So the posterior superior part of the nasal septum is supplied by the medial, posterior, superior nasal branches. These are the branches from pterygopalatine ganglion. The posterior inferior part, it is innervated by the nasopalatine nerve, which is the main nerve of the pterygopalatine ganglion. It gives branches and innervates the posterior inferior part of the nasal septum. So these are regarding the general sensory innervation. We have a special sensory innervation through the olfactory nerve root for the olfactory mucosa. So these nerve root, it lies in the roof of the nasal cavity. So this is regarding to the nerve supply to the nasal septum. Coming to the some short topic, one is the venous drainage of the nasal septum. This plexus, it drains blood through the facial vein anteriorly and posteriorly through the sphenopalatine vein. It drains into the pterygoid plexus. Pterygoid plexus, it lies in this place. The lymphatic drainage of the anterior part of this nasal septum, it is drained into the submandibular lymph node, and the posterior half of the nasal septum, it drains into the retropharyngeal or the deep cervical lymph nodes. So this is regarding to the venous drainage as well as the lymphatic drainage of the nasal septum and the arterial and the nerve supply to the nasal septum. So next we will move with the lateral wall of the nose.